Drift into the dreamscape of Sun King, the hypnotic jewel from Abbey Road's medley. The lush, echoing vibe, inspired by Fleetwood Mac's Albatross, Lennon admitted they were trying to match its tranquil mood. That gibberish-sounding lyric near the end? It's not Italian. It's mock romance languages the band made up for fun. Quando para mucho, chakra boo cheese. Pure nonsense. The ambient feel was a result of triple-tracked harmonies from John, Paul, and George, recorded so tightly they sound like one voice. The dreamy guitar swells were created using Leslie speakers and massive reverb on John's rhythm guitar. And the title? Sun King was a cheeky nod to Louis XVI of France, but it's mostly Lennon's fantasy world of warmth and surreal beauty. Not a hit, but a hidden gem for headphone dreamers. Subscribe for more Beatles magic hiding in plain sight.